welcome back to another video of Roblox. Today, guys, we're doing something new. Wild revolvers. Just because there's a new Aussie update on this game, so I'm just checking it out. What it's like. I have played this before, but on a different account, and I used to be beast. So I have some experience, just like that. Now, where are these other people? I don't think you can run, but you can roll. And I think you can jump. So roll is E that way, Q, and R. Okay? Okay, and then I'm stuck. So I think D is back. F? No, I don't think you can roll backwards. Whoa. Oh yeah! Oh, following me. I love this mighty revolver game. Mighty. It used to be called Spooky Revolvers. Oh yeah! There we go, streak. Oh, it's my teammate. No, I don't. There we go, another streak. Oh yeah! That was good, guys. Well played there. Well played. Oop. Oh, I couldn't have had him. If you could reload really quick with a revolver, I would just go popping. Sorry with the background noise. Instead, a huge party, and now all popping in our still. Oh. And this is the new computer in Banana. It's still very bad. So when we get home, which is Monday. Oh what? What is this? What? What is this? Like, have 3 shots. Miss. Sometimes deadly games have been deadly. You can't do jump shots. Oh, you cannot do jump shots. You can't do jump shots. That's so mean. Oh, okay. That was a good round. Very noisy. There we go. The music is getting better. Can I walk? You meant to like, this is the shotgun, but I don't know what you do with it. Maybe my not working. Alright, so guys, this is really funny. I got a clip here once, a 10 streak, by just spawning on a roof, and I got a 10 streak. So now we are cowboys, before we were sheriffs. So I was standing on, I can show you guys now, this roof here. You can parkour up here. Show you can get up. Just gonna jump, and then this is how you parkour up. So you jump on here. Alright, and I got a 10 streak here. You can see every little bit. That's something. Oh, see, but it's really hard. I just found somebody and I went head picture. So guys, this is what I want to try and do. I can never. I have to use the close range. I never did it. Never clicked. Go and kill what's that? Ooh, so close. Right, we have to do this. Oh, like straight into the wheel. Just shot him in the honey. Hamstring goal. So guys, make sure you go check out my cousins. That was today as well. But just what? You got me? And so don't forget to like that video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Can you kill your own teammate? I'll do this so dope. There we go, Spider Tinny. So guys, make sure you go check out me playing with my cousins, Roblox. Because they just came today for my normal 17th. I was going to post that, but I didn't really want to. And I didn't have a camera and I couldn't get everybody's permission. So, I'm just making this video because of the fun of it. Wild Revolver, just a new game, guys. You know what else is a new game? Fortnite. We'll be doing that very soon. Don't you worry. Monday? Maybe. My mom lets me. Any spider? Oh, that was close. Hold up, down. Oh yeah, we have to switch sides. Oh no. Yeah, we basically have oh, what? That's a surely kill. I love it. There's another game finished with Wild Revolvers. So yeah, there's 2 rounds of Wild Revolvers. Stay tuned, guys, because we got one more to go, guys. So this is very good, baby. There's a little bit of sunshine, but see, my cousins and my brother are having a great time, just having a bath, apparently. So they're having a bath, a Corona bath. I don't actually need a Corona bath. That would just be stupid. They would be drinking the bath. That would not be good. Drinking Corona. So, what? Oh, he must beat me to it. Alright, you're going anyway. I remember exactly where you were. Oh, he's not doing that. What? Wait, you did. Oh, I'm terrible aim. Terrible aim. terrible hammer. So guys, if we could hit 10, I reckon if we could even hit 10 likes on this video, we will do this more often. Leave a comment down below if you like revolvers. Oh, just to watch. Yeah. So guys, if we can get 10 likes on this video, then we will keep uploading wild revolvers. Ooh. What do you reckon, guys? Yeah, you reckon you can reach 10 likes? It's pretty big that I can ask for, but guys, I reckon you can do it. I reckon I'm just asking for 10, it's only a little one. I reckon you guys can pop it. Pop that 10 likes. You can easily pop that. Maybe you just don't want to do it. No. Well, leave a comment down below if you want to see more fan forces, or me playing with my cousins, or me playing with just other people. I keep dying. Like, I've got one kill. And we're obviously gonna lose. Or our team are losing every time. Okay. Okay, was not good for me though. Damn it! So dog. It takes forever to reload. We just lose the other. I just wanted that in this who's the most wanted? Okay, here we go. Crafting and craft. Short. Alright, here we go. This is the last game of Sheriffs and Cowboys. So, guys, let's make it a good one, shall we? Maybe we won't get to finish it all, guys, because we nearly got timed up. Maybe just a couple kills even. What? I'm popping these peas. I popped him, surely. Yeah, there's one Demono up there. Beautiful, it's up there. Love it. Love it. Spider in here, you're not doing well. Yeah, I'll apply Pokemon now. Oh! There we go. Terrible one. Oh! I want this guy on my team. He's really expert at this, guys. So guys, I'm going to have to leave it there. I want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for today's video. And don't forget to see my playing with cousins video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye guys!